Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about that whether English speaking is necessary for the president or prime minister of the country or it is not necessary. You know that for world leader some people say that speaking English language is must because they have to communicate with other delegations, with other communities. So if they are not able to speak English language, they are not considered the good leaders. Whether becoming a good leader or prime minister of the country or president of the country, it is necessary to speak English language, or without speaking English language, mastering in your national language, one can become the president or prime minister of the country. I will talk about this in detail. So please stay with me in this video, and if you are new on this channel, please subscribe to this channel so that you never miss our other videos. Actually, some people say that it is too much necessary for a leader to know the common language, that is the English language, and it is also the international language, global language, and most of the happenings or meetings are taken place in this language. So most of the UNO activities are also done in English language, although there are several other languages, those are spoken in United Nations. But if you speak English with proficiency, then the credit goes to that leader. Some leader, you know, that hire some translator, those interpret their discussion in English language to make other people understand. But if the leader himself know the English language, he can brief other people in good way. Otherwise, he don't know that what the translator is briefing about his discussion, is doing his speech in national language. The translator is making the translation of his speech in English language for other people. So he himself don't know that what translation, whether he is doing the correct translation or not. When that is a written script, then it's okay. When normally you come in front of the media and media ask a question in English language and you are not able to give replies in English, then I think it's bad for a leader. So I think that for a best leader who want to you know that leader or prime minister or president, they are representing your country, and if they are not able to represent your country, then I think it's bad for them. For representing, they should know the English language, the best thing is. Otherwise, you know that some nationalities, some countries give less importance to English language. They prefer to speak their national language. They also make some kind of speeches on international level in their national language. Then translator make the translation of their speech. So in some way it is good, but mostly it is considered that for a leader, especially who is the prime minister or the president of a country, it is necessary for that person to know the English language. If he don't know the English language, then I think that it is bad for him. So for becoming a prime minister or president of the country, sometimes it is too much necessary to know the English language. Otherwise, when other nationalities, people of other nationalities, those don't belonging to native countries where the English is as spoken as a first language, and when they speak proficient English language, and your country leader is not able to speak English with good proficiency, then I think that this will be the bad impact about your leader, that he does not know the international language or common language. So I think that you will have to represent your country, most of the things in other countries of the world. You will have to attend the international conferences, and most of the delegations, those come in your country. They speak the English language. they discuss with you in English language, and if someone is not able to discuss with them, to brief them, then I think that this will be the bad sign for your country. Otherwise, becoming too much fluent is not necessary. A leader should have the ability to understand the English language and to make other people understand whatever he is saying. If he speaks English language, that English language should be good and understandable. It might be broken in English language because some people don't speak English with good proficiency. But when they rehearse the speech, so especially those are made in United Nations, you know, most of the leaders prepare themselves before going to the attend to the summit or any conference. They prepare themselves, they rehearse. But as I told you that when you come in front of where randomly you will have to speak the English language, and if you are not able to represent your country in proper way, then I think that it's not good. I think the person who is willing to become a leader or a prime minister or president of the country, he should have the ability to learn the English language. No matter, you can start learning in your older age. It does not matter that if you don't know English language, then your age is you are older and you are not able to learn English language. You can start learning English language at any age. For learning, I think that age does not matter. And then you will have to hire a tutor or a teacher who can guide you in proper way. Because I think that older people can conceive or learn the things better than those who are younger or children. Because they have seen the ups and downs of their life, and right now when you will teach them about any language, they are able to learn or get a command on that language in short time, if they are curious, if they are dedicated towards learn the English language. Otherwise, if you are not interested to learn the English language, then if you get the environment of English language, if you live in the English speaking country, even though you can't speak the English language, you are not able to speak the English language. For speaking, I think devotion and dedication and hard working is necessary. Hope you find this video useful. In next video, I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and before leaving, please subscribe to this channel so that you never miss our other videos. Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.